Once there was a great blue heron and a cardinal, and they were friends. And the great blue heron was sitting on the great blue heron's eggs, and when the cardinal flied. And then the house got smaller, and then some ducks joined in. Yeehaw! I'll sit on the eggs. No, I won't. No, I won't.
Tape is on
Pick up the board.
Tape is on your feet.
Ooh, you
Well,
can go up.
maybe nice tape. Those butterflies on you? Oh, look at that.
It's a
Very
day
nice.
Saturday.
Very nice.
Because it's kind of weird.
Yeah. On Saturday.
They were gardening.
Yeah, not bad. On Saturday. That was
Dad, 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 and then the ski, and then the house, the doctor did, and then some dogs joined in, which were really good, and then they whack.
That you don't work at all.
But you know, no.
Oh yeah. And then they were alive. They were just hatched. They were surrounded. And we got back some food. Yeah, then they got it.
Yeah, but we have to wait till a little bit after the mom and dad showers. Henry's over there. It's like doing a little language.
I'm right here.
Oh, then who's there? Oh, it's Jenny.
And then, mother.